Hi, my name is Clara and welcome to Clarification. Today we're going to be talking about the history of DNA and how we came to actually find out that it is the molecule of inheritance. So the DNA was first discovered by Frederick Michener, and what he found at the time he didn't actually call it DNA but rather nuclein. And how he got it was actually from white blood cells found in pus of bandages of patients in hospitals, things we do for science. But what he knew about it was that it was a weak acid and that it had a high phosphorus content. Of course, now we know that DNA is made up of a deoxyribose nucleic acid, which has your deoxyribose sugar as well as your phosphate found in the backbone. The nucleic part just means that it's in the nucleus, and the acid, same thing that he had found, it is an acidic molecule. And in 1923, thanks to the Fulgen reaction, there was this thing called the Schiff reagent, which allowed us to stain DNA red. And then we were able to localize this DNA, and scientists found out that it's actually found almost exclusively on chromosomes. Now, at the time, they knew that chromosomes were responsible for the hereditary material given from a mother cell to a daughter cell. But they also knew that half of the weight of a chromosome is made up of protein. So just because DNA was found on chromosomes doesn't mean that it's the molecule of inheritance. In fact, at the time, scientists thought that it was protein. So why did they think that proteins were the molecule of inheritance? Well, if you look at proteins, there are 20 different amino acids that can make them up, which allows for many more combinations and therefore a lot more variety than if you were to have just your 4 bases found in DNA. And people thought, we're so complex, and all these like traits that we have, they can't be determined by just 4 bases. 20 amino acids gives us a lot more room for complexity and variation. Also, proteins have cool catalytic functions, and DNA is just there, but like proteins do interesting stuff.